Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to comment with a GIF on Instagram using the new 2026 update. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your Instagram account if you haven't already. Now, once you are inside your Instagram application, you just have to go to any of the posts or any of the reels where you want to basically leave a comment. So here, as you can see, we have this particular post available. So if I tap on this message icon over here, you are going to see this type of section where you can basically start typing your comment. So here, after typing your comment, you just have to simply look for the GIF option. But as you can see, as soon as I'm typing something over here, it is going to give you the option of entering the comment. But when you are not typing anything, you are going to see this type of smiley icon here in the conversations tab. So when you tap on this smiley icon, you are going to see the second option of GIF. So here, after looking for this particular option of GIF, you just have to look for the GIF that you want to basically comment over here. So here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different types of GIFs available. If you want to add any other GIFs, you can just simply use the search bar here on the top. After that, you can search for any of the GIFs. For example, let's say I searched for hi, and as you can see, it has given a bunch of different GIFs. Now among these GIFs videos, you just have to select the GIFs which you want to basically send. After tapping on it, it will automatically send and it is going to look something like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.